Hi, photo students. This is a demo to help illustrate how to create and manipulate menu items on your WordPress. Why this is important is because on the front end or the public end of your website, you're going to want to start to customize and build navigation into your site so users coming to your site can find pages on your WordPress. That's important, but also complicated because WordPress gives you a lot of flexibility and power in how to do that. So usually that means it's not always as straightforward, but you have a lot of ability to customize and make it specific to your needs. So for our generic purposes, this week we're going to be creating an about page. You're also going to start your first short assignment, and I want to show you how to generate menu items so you can make it legible to your viewers. Now I'm logged in, and you'll know that you're logged into your WordPress because you'll have a menu down here that's not public to it's not public on the web. It's only there when you're logged in and invisible to you. You have the ability to edit the page that you're on, customize, and you also have these three dots here which give you some more options to quickly use. Now you also know that you're logged in because this top band across your website is showing you that you're logged into your WordPress. So if you went to My Sites, it'll take you to the back end of your website, which is the site that's not in public view and allows you to customize your site. Now here you have these menu items, or these icons here that are indicators that there are menu items below. This is an accordion, and when you drop down you're allowed to add pages, posts, media, comments, etc. We're mainly and primarily using pages. Now under design, you have the ability to change your theme. So if you don't like the theme that you've chosen, or you want to explore some other themes, you're able to navigate through a selection of themes that WordPress provides, either for purchase or for free. And you're also able to customize the active theme that you're on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and select Customize. And I want you to notice it's going to give you a preview of your website, and it's going to give you some icons here that are also not in public view. They're only there for you, and these are quick links to get you to these menu items over here. We're going to be working on menus, so if I select menus here, I can go step by step, or I can jump to the menu items here by selecting this pencil icon. So I'm going to select the menus here. Now what's important is that we're going to be working on what's called your primary menu. Your primary menu is the theme. Each theme is a little different, but it's the primary visible area for navigation on your website. So I'm going to select this so you can see if I deselect menu locations, that disappears. So you have some flexibility in terms of wanting a menu visible or not. I'm going to select primary menu. Make sure you do this. Now I already have these pages built for this website, so you're going to slowly start building. Your about page is the one that's current, and I'm going to show you how I'd like you to create menu items for your assignments. So if I select Add Items here, you'll notice that I've built some kind of generic pages here. You can create them here as generic placeholders, or go back to your main menu, and as you're creating them they will show up here. Now I also though want to have a heading up here, or what's called a parent page, that is not an active link. So let me explain that. If I have links up here, and for instance I want to create an assignment menu item, if I select that, I don't want it to go to an assignment page. I want to actually create what are called subpages or child pages to that parent page. And I want those to drop down in an accordion style on this website so you can go directly to the assignment. If you had an active, what's called an assignment page or portfolio, might be a term you use, and you had people go straight to that, then you'd, on that blank page, you'd have to list all those assignments again, or you would just be sitting on an empty assignment page, which is just confusing in terms of website design. So this isn't the easiest thing, I know, so please just follow along closely and it will work for us, and I'll field any questions if you have them. Now, I'm going to create what's called a custom link here. I'm going to call this page assignments, okay? And then here, instead of putting in an active URL, I'm going to put in the number symbol. The number symbol is going to make that link a dead link, so it's inactive and can't go anywhere. And I'm going to add this menu item. So you'll notice it added over here as a custom link, and you'll see it's right there and it's not active. Now I'm going to then start adding some pages. So you're going to have an about page, for instance. I'll go ahead and do that just so you guys can see. I'll select an about page. I'm also going to select a long and a short page, and a short one and a short a long one. And I'm going to show you the mistake that I made here with these long and shorts, because these are actually active links and that can be problematic, but I'll do it for the sake of demo. Now notice that they're all kind of lining up over here. I'm going to show you how to reorder these. So I'm going to drag this one above here, and I'm going to drag that one there. I'm going to drag this one up above that and then over, and I'm going to drag this up and over. And I'll show you here too, if you select reorder, you can reorder these. Now I'm going to just bring this one above this right here and over. Actually, I want it to go, yeah, that's fine. I wanted actually it to go under here, but it's going to be a little tricky there, because it's the about page is kind of a short assignment of sorts. Now I want all of these to be underneath that assignment page. So notice now you can go long one, short one, about. These are all sub pages. Now this is great and it works, except I created this long one and short one. These are active links, so watch, if I select this, it'll take me to this empty page here. And then you have to redo or think about what would I do on this long page. And so I'm going to correct that and show you how to correct that as a kind of reiteration of how to make this a dead link. Because notice when I select here, nothing happens on the assignment page. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually add items. If I select add items, I'm going to delete my long and short, and I'm going to create two custom links here. This one's going to be called long, number symbol, add, and this one's going to be called short, number symbol, add. Now if I go here and put that there and this here, then I'm going to reorder, and I'm going to indent my long one and my short one. Done. I'm going to actually just get rid of this about page so it's not confusing. Now notice I now have long one, short one under these assignments. This is just an example of how you might do it. You can, if you want to, just bypass these two parent pages for this submenu and just list all your assignments. I'm okay with that too. But notice now if I select this, that's an inactive link and an inactive link. This will take me to an active link, which is where you'll put your photographs and photo galleries. Now make sure that you save all your changes. and that becomes, in the end, I don't know why that shifted over, but it seemed to want to for some reason. That's a little bit of a glitch. Now, it looks like everything's working other than that, and I can try to putz with what happened there, but it doesn't really matter for the sake of the demo. And if you have any questions, this is one of the more complicated parts of working with WordPress and working with websites, so don't hesitate to ask, and try your best to follow along with the demo as I've put it forward, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, thank you.